Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Alex from Minecraft. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a square for the shape of the head. Next, we're going to hop inside and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two rectangles across like this. And then a line down in the center of each eye. Now on top, let's draw the hair. Next to the left eye, let's draw a line out, and then a line up from the top right corner. Now let's bring it in, and then up. Now top over to the right side, and next to the eye, let's draw a line out to the side of the head, and then up next to it. Then let's draw another step line up, and then close it off at the top. Next, let's hop down to the bottom part of the face and let's draw a sideways rectangle for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now top underneath and let's draw the shape of the body. Underneath, let's step in on both sides and let's draw a long rectangle down. Now for the legs underneath, let's continue both of the lines down on the sides. And close it off at the bottom. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw the arms. From the bottom corners of the head, let's draw lines out on both sides. Now let's bring it down. And then back in at the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and let's draw the details. Let's start inside the torso on the top right and let's draw a line down. Then bring it in, down, and back out. Now let's draw a longer line down underneath, and then a stepped line up and over on the right side. Now let's move over to the top right and let's draw a line down, bring it over, down, and across. Now we're going to follow that same pattern underneath like this. We'll start with another line down on the top left, and then a stepped line down underneath. Next, let's hop down to the bottom and let's draw two lines up and a line across at the top. And then leave a gap and let's draw two lines across the body here. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move to the arms and let's draw two lines across like this. And then on the right arm, let's draw a line down from the top and then over to the left. Now inside the bottom rectangle, let's draw a line down in the center. And then a line across both of the legs. And that's it for Alex. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!